Hi there, students. Renown, a noun. Renowned, an adjective. Renown means fame, somebody widely known, a celebrity, somebody known for generally positive things. It could be something as well. He used to be a poet of great renown, of prominence, of prestige. Somebody recognized for their deeds or for their acts, or maybe a place that is well known for a certain characteristic. Famous. His family is renowned for bringing great social changes to the area. Alexander Fleming is renowned for his discovery of penicillin. Harvey Smith, the show jumper, is renowned for giving 2 fingers to the judges. He's a rapper of great renown in the UK. Salvador Dali, is a Spanish artist of international renown. She's a surgeon of high renown. So, renown, famous, well known, with a high reputation. Okay, what about formality? I would think I would probably give this a 6. I think you could use it in an informal conversation, particularly renowned. He's renowned for this. I think the phrase of great renown, of high renown, this sounds rather formal to me, and I think a phrase like that I would only use in something semi-formal or something very formal. Yeah? It's a good word to use, renowned. It's not the type of word students use, so I suggest you try it out. This word renown comes from Old French, renom, nom, N-O-M, meaning name, and re is an intensifier. So a famous name, a super name, and that's the idea, yeah? So, a superstar of great renown. Johnny Rotten is a renowned punk artist, for example. Yeah? Maybe I'm renowned for making English videos. Well, maybe only a little bit. Okay? So, renowned, well-known, famous. Slightly formal, but I think, as I said, you could use it in an informal conversation. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Renown.